Linux subsystems. Introduction to Linux subsystems. Understanding user applications. Learn about O/S services. Introduction to Linux Kernel. Learn about hardware controllers. Linux subsystems. In a Linux system, the Linux kernel is the core of the operating system. The Linux kernel contains the following subsystems: the process scheduler, the memory management unit, MMU, the virtual file system, the networking unit, inter-process communication unit, user applications. There can be a lot of user applications running in a Linux system. Some examples of user applications that can be running in a Linux system are browsers like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, LibreOffice Software, Thunderbird, an email client, O/S services. The operating system provides the following services: program execution, handling the input and output operations, managing the file system, communication between different processes, error handling in the form of detection of errors and performing an action in response to the detected error condition, managing resources in the system like processor, main memory, disk, and so on, protecting or controlling of access to resources in the system by programs, processes, and users. Linux kernel. The Linux kernel is the core of the Linux operating system. The Linux kernel is the core interface between a computer's hardware and its processes. It is the overall resource manager in the system and handles management of resources in the system like processor, main memory, disk, networks, and so on. Hardware controllers. The user applications do not interact with the hardware devices directly. The Linux kernel interacts with the hardware devices using the device drivers. Depending on the type of the hardware, appropriate controller will be used. For example, IDE controllers for IDE disks and SCSI controllers for the SCSI disk. Thank you for watching.